Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this 2009 to 2017 Hyundai Iload. More specifically, we're going to be changing this sliding door handle. As you can see here, it's an extremely common problem with these. They've integrated the pull handle into the actual unlocking door handle, so you can imagine people are yanking on them time and time again, and eventually they break off like that, as old plastic usually does in the end. Right, so this job's pretty straightforward. You've got two 10 mils here and one in here, and that will literally just pop off. But to access that back 10 mil, you have to take off the interior door handle. There's a bit of stuffing around, but if you follow my steps closely, we're gonna get this done in about, I reckon, 20 minutes each side. So guys, if you are interested in this product, before we continue, we do have it available on the website. So if you are interested, I'm going to stick the link to the top right corner of this video, or at the bottom in the bio. You can head on to the webby. I believe there's $63 with free express post anywhere in Australia. So that means that you're getting this handle for $63. You're saving on having the unit installed by anyone else. So guys, you could be experiencing savings of up $250 plus. So yeah, definitely check that out. Alrighty guys, let's jump straight into it. Alrighty guys, so first things first, we need to get this door handle off. Other YouTube channels and other people are going to tell you to pull this door card off, and they're wrong. You just need to know where to look. Guys, all you need is a regular little rag offcut like this. Find the thick end of the rag, you know, the bit that's double stitched, turned over and stitched like that. You bring it in and you literally just stick it behind the gap of the door handle, and you literally just go back and forth, basically until the little clip pops off like that. Most of the time you're going to drop it, guys. It's extremely hard not to. But of course, now grab all your bits and pieces, all the components, a little clip. We call them little Jesus clip, and partner it back up. So find your Jesus clip, reinsert it back onto your door handle and stick your door handle out of the way. Now we've got two 10 mils here, and undo one at a time, 1 and 2. Stick those little bolts out of the way. Now the next step is to pop this little flap up. You can use anything pointy, and you just pop it up, and then of course undo that Phillips head screw. Phillips head screw just here. So once you've got this screw out, and then just grab a flathead screwdriver and just pop up this side, just like that, and then the rest should just pop off like that, and that's it. So they're just held in by pressure clips, as you can see. So there is going to be a little force required, but other than that, that's it, guys. Guys, once you have that cover off, we can now head into the back, the door handle. You can see straight through the guts. You can just undo that 10 mil there, be able to pop it off just like so. There's your door handle there. Alrighty guys, so we've just gone ahead and pulled the genuine Hyundai one off, the snap one that is. I'm going to stick this new Parts Factory Australia one in, guys. If you are interested in this product, don't forget, check out the bottom of this bio, click the link, you'll head onto the webby. 63 bucks, guys, you can't go wrong there. Alright guys, same thing but in reverse. You can bring the door handle in, pushing it into place like so. Of course, we now come around, and first things first, we're going to put that bolt, the back, the one down in here first. Right, so this time you can balance it on the socket. You can kind of guide it in, maybe coming from underneath. Line it up. One and two, like that. Don't go too tight. Maybe one or two ugga-duggers on the back as well, just like that. Now of course we're back up to this sliding door handle cover. We're just going to bring it back in line. Sometimes you have to line this slider up with this pin, so you can just line it up pretty straightforward as you, yep, so I've lined it up there, it's back in that position, and then you literally just that's it. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, of course, that main strengthening screw, just like so. You pop that cover back over. And then of course, the last little sliding door handle, guys. If you've reassembled the Jesus clip properly, it will just slide on like that. That's the whole job done. Alrighty guys, all done. Literally in and out, 10 minutes, couple screws. Very, very easy. I'm actually quite impressed with the design. Other than the fact that now that I try and open the door with this new handle, it's still incredibly stiff. I feel like you could snap it again. I mean, it's obviously not invincible. It is a piece of plastic after all. Perhaps maybe a WD-40 of the slide rails if it's your own vehicle. If not, then, you know, what are you gonna do? Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like the video, and if you can, subscribe to the channel if it's content you might watch in the future. Alrighty guys, I'm Lucas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.